So let's look again at one that, let's try one. I don't want to do that one just right now just because it's huge. Okay, so you can work on that one, funness, all on your own. But let's look at this one, which one has different variables and has powers inside. So it's to the third, so we're going to use the third row of Pascal's. So that's 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, I'm going to take my first term, which is b to the third, and I'm going to put it in every single column. And then I'm going to take the highest exponent, which is 3, and count down. Okay, and then I'm going to take the second term, put it in every column, and then start at 0 and count up. Okay, so now I'm ready to do some evaluation. Any of the 0 power ones go away because they're ones. Okay, so I'm going to just out to the side here, I'm going to say, okay, that's b to the 9th. This one is b to the 6th. That way I don't really have to think once I get to, okay. And then I don't have any more coefficients, so I don't really have to worry about multiplying those. So now I'm just going to multiply straight down in each column. So 1 times b to the 9th is b to the 9th. 3 times b to the 6th times a. I'm going to write it in alphabetical order. 3a b to the 6th. 3 times b to the 3rd times a to the 2nd is 3a squared b to the 3rd. 1 times a to the 3rd is just a to the 3rd. So notice your second term starts at the second and counts up. The first term starts at the beginning and counts down. It's a plus in our parentheses, so everything is positive. Okay? So now if we look at some of these up here, where it's asking for the coefficient of the b to the third. Okay, so we do the same process, or I do, because it's just the easiest in my opinion. I go, okay, it's the 5th row. So 1, 5, 5, whoops, not 5, 5, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. So b to the 5th, b to the 4th, b to the 3rd, b to the 2nd, b to the 1st, b to the 0. 3 to the 0, 3 to the 1, 3 to the 2, 3 to the 3, 3 to the 4, 3 to the 5. So it says the b to the 3rd term. Okay, so I'm looking through here. This is going to be the b to the 3rd term. So that's the only one I need to worry about now that I have my list and it's written out. So all I have to think about is, okay, 3 to the 2nd is 9. So 10 times b to the 3rd times 9 is 90 b to the 3rd. So the coefficient of that term is 90. Okay, so that works the same way as finding the right term. So if you do 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, and we go v, 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 v. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. U to the 0, U to the 1st, U to the 2nd, U to the 3rd, U to the, let's rewrite that. U to the 4th. Okay, so it says the 5th term. So 1 term, 2nd term, 3rd term, 4th term, 5th term. This is the only one you have to worry about. So we know v to the 0 is 1. So 1 times u to the 4th is u to the 4th. But now you just have to think about this was minus. So positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. So it is just positive u to the 4th. Okay, so go ahead and see if you can complete these. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to hop on Microsoft Teams and ask me some questions.